5 seconds to go. Start. On 2nd March 2023, a communication was addressed by the Chief Secretary to the Government of Haryana to the Registrar Judicial seeking a justification clarification in regard to certain judicial officers of the 2007, 2009 and 2010 batches on the ground that they appeared to be senior than the last of the 13 recommended officers. The communication noted that, in spite of seniority, these judicial officers were not recommended for promotions. The High Court was also called upon to clarify the criteria of merit and suitability test on the basis of which principle of merit cum seniority has been affected and names of officers senior to the recommended officers have not been recommended. The High Court of Punjab and Haryana responded to the communication of the state government on 22nd March 2023 indicating that the appointment to the 13 posts of additional district and sessions judges, which was initiated by way of promotion, was sought to be made strictly in terms of Rule 61A of the rules, which prescribes merit cum seniority, read with the criteria laid down by the High Court for assessing the suitability of a candidate for appointment. The High Court further stated that all appointments and promotions concerning the judiciary fall under the control and supervision of the High Court, and since the recommendations have been approved by the full court, they were binding on the state government under Article 235 of the Constitution. On 29th March 2023, an advocate by the name of Mr. Prem Pal submitted a representation to the Chief Secretary of Haryana seeking the intervention of the state government in order to either reject the recommendations of the High Court or to initiate a fresh process of consultation. The representation stated that the recommendations of the High Court were not binding since the requirement of obtaining 50% marks in the Viva Voce had not been communicated to the candidates and no minimum cut-off in the Viva Voce had been prescribed. It is also stated that no criteria had been adopted for conducting the suitability test. Following the receipt of this representation, the state government sought the opinion of the Union Ministry of Law and Justice. The Union Ministry of Law and Justice tendered its opinion on 26 July 2023 stating that Article 233 of the Constitution, which deals with appointments, postings and promotions of district judges, envisages consultation between the state government and the High Court. The opinion of the Union Ministry was that the modification of the suitability criteria in terms of the resolution dated 30th November 2021 of the High Court lacked the element of consultation with the state government and therefore did not have a binding effect. A writ petition under Articles 226 and 227 was filed by certain candidates working as civil judges, senior division and chief judicial magistrates in the state of Haryana for seeking a mandamus to the state government to conclude the process of selection and to notify the appointments by way of promotion of candidates selected to the post of additional district and sessions judge. Stop.